A tense hearing, sharp question, and rising political pressure. Welcome to TimesXP's War Updates, and Washington has just witnessed a major confrontation. As Iran conflict it continues to grow, the focus has now shifted from the battlefield to the corridors of power in the United States. That's right, in a dramatic Senate hearing, Senator Mark Warner, he directly challenged top officials, including the FBI director. By the way, he's Indian origin, Kash Patel, and Director of National Intelligence Tulsi Gabbard. Well, the exchange, it quickly turned intense, highlighting deep division over how the whole situation with Iran has been handled. The hearing saw tough questions, by the way, tough questions that are being raised about key decisions taken before the conflict escalated. In fact, one very major issue was the reported removal of FBI personnel who had expertise related to Iran. Yes, Warner questioned whether this particular move may have weakened the preparedness at a very critical moment, specifically as tensions were already rising. And yes, at the very same time, Tulsi Gabbard faced pressure over intelligence assessment. Lawmakers pushed for clarity on what the US knew about Iran's capabilities and their intentions, and whether warnings were properly understood or acted upon. The whole discussion made it clear that intelligence and decision making are now under close scrutiny in the US. In fact, the atmosphere in the hearing room, it was charged. It was interruptions, strong statements, and pointed questions. It reflects not just policy concern here, but also growing political divides. This was not just about facts, it was about accountability this time. The debate had also touched on broader issues, including national security preparedness and handling of sensitive threats, and specifically during rapidly evolving conflict. Lawmakers from different sides, they expressed a lot of concern over whether enough was done to anticipate and respond to the situation or not. Ladies and gentlemen, this moment highlights a bigger shift. The Iran conflict is no longer just about military actions abroad. It is now influencing the political battles at home in the US itself. Decisions behind the closed doors, they are being questioned in public. And the pressure on leadership is now increasing. Well, the key question now is whether these discussions will lead to changes in the strategy or further deepen the division. As the conflict continues, the spotlight on intelligence agencies and lawmakers is only expected to grow. And one thing is clear, the debate over Iran, it is no longer limited to the battlefield. It is now a political storm inside Washington, and its impact could shape the future decisions in the days ahead.